What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this episode of Restorations with Vic. What I have on my table today are these Space Jam Air Jordan 4s that need a little bit of work. We're going to be using Reshoevn8r's 3-brush advanced alarm system and our detergent to get the shoe fully cleaned up. After that, we're going to repaint the midsoles, remove the little yellowing on the soles, remove the scuffing on the plastic areas, creasing off the toe boxes, and repaint the uppers. We got a lot of work ahead of us, so let's get started. The very first thing I gotta do is put this shoe to the side for before and after purposes. Next, let's remove our laces and insole to thoroughly clean those separately. Alright, now let's grab our shoe tree, adjust it to size, and pop it inside the shoe. Now let's grab our 4-ounce bottle of solution and our bowl of water and squirt 2 squirts. The first brush we'll be using is our soft bristle brush so we can start breaking down all the dirt covered on the shoe. Alright guys, uppers are fully soaked up. Now let's shift our focus to the inside of the shoe. Continue using the soft bristle brush. Insides are fully pre-treated. Let's grab our shoe tree real quick, put it back inside the shoe, and grab our medium bristle brush so we can move on to cleaning up the midsole and back tabs. Alright guys, all done with the medium bristle brush and soft bristle brush. Let's move on to our last brush to take care of these outsoles using our stiff bristle. Alright, these outsoles look great. The last step we gotta do is grab our insole and laces. Give these a quick pre-treatment before you put them inside the sneaker laundry bag. For the insole guys, as always, we'll be using the soft bristle brush. And for our laces, we'll be using our leftover solution inside our bowl. Let's grab our sneaker laundry bag, grab our shoe, and everything else. Lock this bad boy up and hit the washing machine. All right, we made it to the washroom. Let's go ahead and put these Space Jam 4s inside our washing machine. Now we're gonna grab our Reshoevn8r sneaker laundry detergent, squeeze and pour 1 full ounce. Let's close this bad boy up. Whenever using the washing machine on a pair of shoes, use cold water with the regular cycle. Alright YouTube, we are back. We got the Space Jam 4 at the washing machine. As you can see, it's fully clean, ready to go with its restoration thanks to our 3-brush advanced alarm system and our detergent. Now moving on, we gotta remove the yellowing off the soles using SalonCare 40, Saran Wrap, and the sun. to the sun. All done with that, we got the gray back to gray. Originally it had like a little yellow tint to it, but now that's all gone. Now moving on with this restoration, we gotta tape off the uppers so we can strip the midsoles using acetone and cotton balls. All taped up, you guys. Now let's remove the paint. The paint on this midsole is super hard to remove. I did, however, remove all the cracked paint. Now to complete the prep job, we're gonna go over with 600 grit sandpaper. All right, guys, that's super smooth. Next step we gotta do is remove the tape so we can retape the shoe, soles included this time. All taped and paper toweled up. Now the next step we're gonna do is lay down our paint. We'll be using Jacquard Opaque White through my airbrush. White paint looks nice and smooth. Now the next thing we're gonna do is tape that off so we can lay down our black paint. Midsoles are complete, straight lines all around. Now moving on with this restoration, we gotta take care of these scuffs on the wings and heel tabs. They're pretty nasty, so we're gonna use acetone and cotton balls to wipe some of that stuff off. The last step we gotta do before we lace the shoe up is to go outside and spray with some Cryolan matte finish to complete the midsole repaint and make these heel tabs and wings look brand new. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up on this full restoration on these Air Jordan 4 Space Jams. Let's break down exactly what I did to make this restoration happen. We used our 3-brush advanced enlargement system and our detergent to get the shoe fully cleaned up inside and out. We got it disinfected and got it ready for a restoration. After that, we removed the yellowing from the soles, repainted the midsoles, touched up the uppers, and got rid of all the scuffing on the plastic areas of the shoe. You can find all the stuff you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Use my promo code in the description below. This is Vick Almighty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next Monday.